everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So I decided to use my Shrinky Dink first and create some stud earrings. So that's what I'm going to be doing this video. This is just some images that I created on my laptop, and as you can see, I done started cutting some of them out, which is what you see here. And these sizes range, I did 3 different sizes, so I'm kind of excited to see how small they get. I did a 1.2, a 1 inch, and a 0.8 of an inch. So I'm excited to see exactly how small these get and what they look like. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish cutting these out, and also preheat my oven to 230. Now all of these I'm not going to use as a stud, like these right here, these, maybe these two. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to punch a hole like in the bottom and create like a dangle earring with them, but this is just going to be like the earpiece, you know. So yeah, a lot of ideas, so let's go ahead. Alright, just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you the before of the 3 sizes. This is the 1.2, this is the 1 inch, and this is the 0.8 of an inch. So I'm about to go ahead and put these in the oven and see how much they shrink down. Alright you guys, these things came out so tiny. Like, look at that. Look at that. Like, small. These is like little baby earrings. I don't even know what to do with them at this point. I don't know. Okay, so this is all of the earrings. This is what they look like. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my diamond glaze. And I usually brush this on, but these earrings are so small, y'all. I'm not even about to waste my time doing that. So I'm just going to drop some glaze directly on top of them. So I'm just going to drop the glaze directly on top of all of them and pop any bubbles that I happen to see. But yeah, look at that. They're so tiny. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I actually had like a power outage. You guys, I don't know what's going on, but it's like, that's like the 6th time like this month the power just goes out like for long periods of time. But anywho, so I continued to work, so I wasn't able to record because wasn't no light. But this is what I ended up doing, because the way I was doing it was tedious and it made it harder than it needed to be. So what I went ahead and did first is I glued the backs onto each little earring piece first, so that I then had something to hold on to while I put the glaze on. Because trying to put the glaze on first, y'all, it was a hot mess. Do you hear me? Hot mess. Wasn't working. Made things so complicated. So I just went on ahead and glued the backs on it first. And as you can see, look at that. Each piece is glossy. Look at that. I did 2 coats. I don't think it needs more than that. But I mean, if you want more than that, you could very well go ahead and do more. And I also purchased these, because these have like the little flap hook, don't know what that's called, but so that I can put this on my jewelry stand, because I was like, I don't got the right type of earrings holder now. And these are a pair of earrings that I did, but I had to fold this just so it could fit on a jewelry display. And I was like, that was too much work just for one pair of earring, man. I can't imagine doing that every single time. Like, I'm not able. But these actually came out, they're pretty small. They're really small, but they're perfect for what I'm doing. Are they? Or are they too small for that too? Now, where's the other one for this? That's not the right size. That's two totally different sizes. Goodness, y'all. Now I'm hunting for these goddamn earrings. Okay. So, these two actually fit and look good. But before I even do this, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to reinforce the backs that are on each and every one of these earrings. I'm just going to coat it in glue. And so far that glue is holding up pretty good, but I will say this was empty, y'all. Like, when I opened it, I first opened it, and when I was squeezing it trying to get some out, like, it was just full of air. I was like, what the freak is this? But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna seal all of it with this, and then yeah, I'm pretty much done. That's it. Some little stud earrings with some shrinky dink paper, y'all. I'll be back. Alright, so as you can see, I did a coat of the glue over it. It is now dry. These are done. This is what it's looking like. Glossy, glazy. And see if I can show you what they look like on the little display. Let me try to focus. There we go. Okay. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna try to get it. There we go. So, I mean, 10 out of 10. These came out super cute, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It was a process getting these things done. Like, the dry time, the glaze time, for that to dry. Just to make sure the back of it was like sealed in so they don't come off. You guys, it's a process. It is most definitely a process, but everything turned out so cute. So trying to let me see if I can get it to focus. Okay, so this is the smallest size. As you can see, this is like tiny, 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 so small. This is a step further up. This is a medium. To me, this would be like the ideal size. And then let's go one more size up. And then this was the biggest size that I did. Trying to make sure. So you got these 3 different sizes. Not bad. Like I said, right now I was just testing out the sizes to see how much the shrink dink wrap would actually shrink. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. I actually had fun with this. Just took longer than I thought, but yeah, overall it was fun. Bye. Alright, and I forgot to show you how I was going to use these. These are the ones that have the hole in it. So I got 2 little eye pins right here, and I'm just doing this just to, I guess, show you guys real quick. I guess like the idea that I had. Let's see, because I don't want it to be too long. Alright, so that's good. Now I'm going to get my round nose pliers. Okay, I probably will not keep it like this, but I just wanted to show you how I can also use these for earring pieces as well and create your own. I think that's cute. Alright, now I'm going for real. Bye. Alright, for real this time. One more thing. This is the last thing. Okay, so as you guys know, I purchased these earring card holders to hold my the small earrings. Okay, so y'all, I made more earrings because these things are so addicting. This time they came out and looked so crisp, so clean. But I was like, I'm not gonna keep spending, you know, like 10 bucks on these. So I end up coming up with a cute way of making my own earring cards, y'all. Look at these. Tell me them is not cute. You can't. You can't. You can't tell me. Look at that. Look at it. And some of these, like this one, are like the pictures that my kids have drawn in like their little sketchbooks. But you guys, these came out so cute. So cute. And guess what? It's nothing but cardstock paper and a 1.5 inch hole punch. Do you hear me? That's it. That's it. That's all. Guess what? You're welcome. Get creative. Put your logos on your stuff, y'all. Look at it, though. These are so cute. Now I just want to sit and make a bunch of... Y'all, my store is finna be lit. Okay. Okay. Now I just got to sit and take pictures of everything. Oh, my gosh. That's the part I don't like. I do not like having to take pictures, set it up, upload it. That's the part I don't like. Okay. All right. I'm done for real. But you guys, the second way I did it, it looks so much cleaner like than my first ones. These are nice. Yeah, but even when I sat and did these, like I hand cutted these out. So it's like the circles aren't even, they're not perfect, but these, y'all, why did it take me to do it a second time to realize, hey, you got a hole punch. Why are you cutting? Punch them out and let's go. So I got them faster. They look crisp. The circle is even. Y'all, I'm ready. Okay? Like, I'm ready to do so many of these things because they are so stinking cute. Okay? Alright, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask and I will see you very soon. Bye! Or if you want me to upload like how I actually made the earring cards, or I can even put the little template on my website for you guys to use, because I also did do a placement of like the earring holes so that I can make sure that they're even when I like punch the holes. Yeah, like that's what they look like. Okay, I'm out here. I'm leaving for real this time. I'm leaving. I'm going. All right. Bye.